actually on Friday, isn't it? So that might help. We'll try and get to some of that virtually.
The ID consultants are out.
Yeah, that's good.
Thomas Ellis. So you got Ashley Price.
I got asked about
Junior doctors are on strike today because over the past 15 years they've had a 26% pay cut in real terms. This has got us to the point where a newly qualified doctor is paid just £14 an hour to work 48 hours a week on average. That includes nights, evenings, weekends. They miss birthdays, they miss holidays, they miss funerals, they miss weddings. They provide essential life-saving care throughout all of this. And we just feel fully that we're not doing 26% less work, we're not seeing 26% fewer patients. The job has only gotten harder and our pay is just not appropriate for the skill and experience required to do the job.
I don't believe that a doctor today is worth over a quarter less than the one that I was shadowing when I applied to medical school.
I'm Brian Vernon. I used to teach these guys medical ethics and medical law in Newcastle Medical School, and I'm absolutely disgusted with the way that junior doctors get treated. They are not looked after adequately, and I have to say I have almost a sense of guilt about not preparing them for the world that they now find themselves in. They're moved around large deaneries by what seems like completely capricious will. I think that's massively unfair, and clearly they should be paid adequately as well, because they do a fantastic job.
Junior doctors are striking because we feel very undervalued and underpaid, and also we're all going to Australia.
We've got 26% pay deficit compared to inflation, and we're seeking pay restoration for that. We work really long hours. On average, you know, most of my contracts have been 48 hours a week. The NHS is running off junior doctors working 6 days a week on average, and we're just feeling really, really overworked, and we want to just be paid fairly, and we don't think £14 an hour is a fair wage for a new doctor.
I'm out here today because most consultants are inside the hospital looking after the patients to keep them safe, and that's the way they're supporting the junior doctors. So the vast majority of consultants completely support the junior doctors and their campaign for pay restoration. Junior doctors deserve fair pay. They're such an important part of the NHS, and consultants support them completely. If we don't look after the junior doctors, we're all in trouble.